Sweet, sweet Jamaica. The peeps, they run him up on it. Want to take him out of water. Can come straight to land, sir. On the beach side, dog they are going full joy himself. Yeah man, St. Mary Padgy Beach. See a boat man just a forward into. You know, we can get no fresh fish to buy. Yard man style. Yeah man, place pretty. Great Padgy Beach. Boat man them a forward in. Yardman style. This is how you do it in Jamaica. When you're on it, when you want fresh fish, I'm forward on the seaside early. Yeah man, I'm forward early from 6 to around 10. Gonna get the fresh fish then. Where you say Ana Bonita? Alright, boss, I have a fish from one peep, so it's a good look. I want to roll in the boat you know. The boss getting pipe when rolling, but them rolling the boat on yardman style. Yes sir. Nice island, to go to island. Island pretty. Go to island pretty. You see the boat coming in, so they know it's a fish time, you know. They know it's fish time, peeps. I see that they set it. I want to set them pipe, run it up on it. Take it from out of water. But two of them can't do it, they need more help, sir. Alright, help coming there, sir. Help coming there, sir. Yeah, man. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. The peeps, they run him up on it. Want to take him out of water. Can come straight to land, sir. So we do it in a Jamaica. Forward to Jamaica and you want some tour. Yeah man, you can book me same way, you know what I mean? Me tour you around. Yeah man, we have a bus airport, pick up airport, drop off. Any one of them there. Yes sir. Outside, please. Get some fresh fish. Have some fish for frying at the day, yeah. Have some fish for frying at the day, yeah. Grill some chicken. Yeah, once I that one daily dinner the day, yeah. So I forward on the beach, get some fish. Fully active. Unfortunate to me, look at the boat empty. Unless you have one hiding spot. The boat look empty. I guess some have fish over there. Yes, over here they have the fish. Yes, same car. Look at the sewer going. Then go over a while ago with some whole heap of bag, you know, so fish then the inner bag. As well me see. No, me not see them. As well me I guess. Bastard came out the bucket. Some snapper. I want to get nice bonita jacket. Freshly just a come from sea. See there? Just a come from sea the bait.
Yeah. What drama?
Get some snapper too. fully active. What go on now? Make it back up on me yard now. You know what I mean? Yes, I buy the chicken them. At least we get the chicken them, pick up the chicken them a while ago. So you know, so me have the fish and me have the chicken. Right here, so me have a jump on. Yeah man, jump on where them use oil, where oil shipping. Yeah man, it's a jump on. Me just bust him in half and turn him in a jerk pan. Yeah man, me have the mesh where me have put over the top. But you me catch the fire, me have to move the mesh. Soon as the fire catch up the right way, me go spread it, put on back the mesh, oil up the grill, put on chicken. Over here, so you know how the car rim that. Yeah, the rim that come off of the car. Yeah man, I eat that. Just hold on something on the top. You don't have to hold on nothing. Just get the car rim and put it on black. Throw in a charcoal. Cook your food. Over there, so I go fry the fish. Chicken I go jerk there, so. Look over here, so. Yes, I look on the fish them. Pretty. Them I buy at the seaside this morning. Have some sour orange. I go and wash them off and make them soak in the water a little bit. So you know, so also that I go give fish a nice vibes. Yardman style. Over here, so I have the chicken, same speed. Yeah man, so the chicken them fat and look good. Yeah man, I go cut them up, wash them off, get them seasoned, put them on the grill. So you know it's that time now. I'm gonna get fully active in the outdoor kitchen. So just do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend for tell a friend. You know what I mean? Also, you have forward a yard and want somewhere to stay. Yeah man, remember, place are active, so just let me know what time it is. Number in the description, also number go up on the screen. Yeah man, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Thing active. Me I go get active you now by scaling fish them, cause I never make them scale them. I say me want to scale them and show one of them. So I go scale and slice up fish you now and then cut up chicken. So stay tuned, the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Scaling fish, make it raw. You know what I mean? So I take off my shirt and make sure I put it one side. That's a code. Alright, you know. See my peeps. Fresh. Deep water them come from, look on them out. Them out wide. Yo. Yes, but as soon as time come. Alright, scaling time. But I think when the man them scale them, I see them got them first. So I guess if you got them first, it's easier to scale. I don't know, I'm going to try. Normally I scale them, then got them. But I see man there got them, I see side, then scale them. So you see two of them are the fisherman, and me are the buyer. I go follow when I see them do. I don't really like scale fishing up peeps, but you know what I mean? I have to do it. I'm going to take out the gill. Make sure so you clean out the whole inside good. See, pre. Alright. Try and now and scale it. Keep fish bone. You have to be careful when you scale the fish yardman style. Because you know, normally you have the right thing when you use scaly fish. But me not have that at this time. So me I deal with the yardman style. Using a knife. And get the job done. Son hot?
I mean, man. Son of burnt, brother.
Free type of food them, you know, man. People want them all over the world, you know. Sometimes when people call, boy, son, I'm sorry, so two of them fish them, when I see you fry all them chicken there. Me sorry, you could just ship it to me. And I say, why? Me sorry, I could ship it to me to because me that rich. Me that just cook food and just ship it off foreign. Cook and ship. Yeah, man. See the peeps, snap on the active person forward, you know. So, you know, say my help, so quick and fast.
Active, man.
Supposed to done it. Yeah, man. Boss. Snapper belly. Bonita Jack. Done, man. I'm gonna slice up that, man. While me I go and slice you up. First, you can just bust them chicken in half. Because you know, I grill, I go grill them. So, just bust them in half. So, we deal with the thing. Then I give them a final wash off and season up them. Nothing normal. A tile, I go take them.
A tile? One or two.
I don't know popcorn. A tile.
A tile.
Peeps. Nice, so it's a snapper, you know, you go to a restaurant, no matter what, say, snapper like this, you have to pay 9 grand for. Yeah, man, 9,000. Because the peeps, enough time I go out for dinner, you know. So here we go, me go out for dinner. And when I go to them big restaurant like Ochi, some place are 9,000, 10,000. So what about if you book me for a cooking now? And me charge you a little money, and when you come and see a 3 snapper in your plate. You know, feel glad, man? You can't buy it for my price. You know what I mean? Because remember, me I deal with my thing, yardman style, you know, from start to scratch, you know. So now if I guess they maybe contact me and say, Sunrise boss, how much we are river cooking? And then you say, you know, this per person. And then I say, so that expensive. Come on, man. Remember, you know, if you order 5 different things on the menu and 10 hours did that, 10 hours can eat the same thing with the on the menu. 10 hours just eat. And I like when you go at them big restaurant and I want you order, you get. No, if 5 person did and 5 person order different stuff, where the food are gonna everybody can eat out the same thing, you know what I mean? So just book your yard man cooking. Yeah, man. And sit down on the riverside and watch me do the cooking. If you don't want to go on the riverside, post you just want to forward all of my yard and just sit back at my yard and smoke and drink and watch me do some cooking. Nothing wrong. Just let me know, no, man. Fully active, man. Yeah, do you think right way, man? Believe.
Yeah, peep, see artist, yeah, man, I am this man, I am named Kanga Tony. Gaggle eye.
So then chick me, you sure you're not snapper?
Snapper woman, see a Kanga Tony this man.
Jesus, peace.
Gaggle eye this.
Yes, sir. So then snap me. Then scam me.
And give a gaggle eye for snapper.
My person there come here, how do you see? Hey,
Wicked boy, them. No, man, I get in jail over there.
You're mad? And it's on a scale, and I would have one of them two, and that guy a 3 pound.
Yeah.
I'm not telling people. Jamaica, this very nice, but we're very chickified. So when you come out here, China, when nobody chick you. Okay, if me live in Jamaica, me I get chick. Imagine you when I live here, you know must get chick.
If you did couldn't trick me with this.
Yeah, because you know, me not a pre-set. The boss I got that. Because when I pull the bucket in, I'm looking at you know. Holy pot snapper.
So I say snapper and you take up gaggle eye give him. I say, where you go with that man? Snapper me want to man, I want a gaggle eye brother.
So look at you know, post at the 5-star restaurant to go yard and snap you see that come on.
No, you sue them man. You sue them brother. You don't want that. I don't have to take you up.
But enough people, you can sell it, you can't get 20 if it's snapper still enough. Because it nearly have the same color. But here we are going to, you can't get 20 tougher. Alright, see that's yes, he say pouring over. I say Kanga Tony tougher. When me little bit, and I got see a whole pa Kanga Tony me catch.
Rock side,
Rock
man.
side. Whole pa Kanga
That's
Tony.
rock side, man.
And you know, so them boy good soup.
Yeah. That now mash up.
I look boy, I love Kanga Tony soup.
Then I eat the fisherman and use boy soup when I go see, man.
See the papes, clean. That one fully clean. That one I give them a final wash off you know. With a lime. Hey, them fish are gonna taste nice. Have to taste nice. Wash them off with some lime, you know. I will give a joke.
The fisherman in the office.
You can't get 20?
Yes, man, the office. Yeah, better.
Yeah, I show man. You don't know that you cut up your hand.
And the bone is sharp.
Yeah, please. First, la fight to the Kanga Tony. Take some fresh water.
Yeah, man, the boy go make it people and selling Kanga to the snapper. Wicked man, then too, you think they're easy. Show it two of them where I like.
Yeah, that catch me one. Two of them where I like. I see the peeps, fresh water. So we go through you know and we give them back the final clean up. No sir, can't do your father got work a lucky do a braise. Braise a lucky. You do alright. Me get a one lime and squeeze pan him jerk pan and catch up to you. So good look.
Jerk pan blazing.
Yeah, one see my peeps. Squeeze the lime pan him now. Lime are full of juice. Me yard this come from Sunrise Boss Production. Right, see me? I'm gonna just go back here now. Make sure you say everything clean out because I final cleaning this yard give me now one of my peeps. Yes I see the final cleaning this you know. So just draw back knife over here and make sure say in well scale. Yes. That's a code. So now them are ready for do a season up. Snap off the days. I just throw pork man and all these are fish, you know. But look where you go. My fish are nearly 4,000 per your feet. Make a the watch it.
How much? How much is that?
A 7,500 string.
7,000.
Yeah,
7,500.
7,500 I'm selling for. You see how go peeps? I say I love my little countryside. St. Mary to the world.
Yeah man, how much up on it? 6.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah man, and I go to 5 again too.
Alright, see, all peeps, all bonita jack of on scale too, you know. Bonita jack of on scale too. Scale him. And chicken him and now you can something there. Alright, we have a next pan. Fish, then a fish I can take up.
I believe there's something else on some pan them we have to cut. I know they don't want it. I know they don't want it.
What going?
Yeah, that's what I have to pick off and see.
This yeah.
What?
Yes, I believe there's something else on some pan them we have to run the knife on and take off.
Then I'm ready for us. Then I'm ready for us season on my peeps.
It's up here, so them are scared too.
So them man.
Put it on the board there. Can board it come on somewhere?
Roll out pine box, stay so.
while I'm going to clean up the fish over there, so you know, we're not wasting no time in a place. Chicken is busting a two, you know. And when you dry chicken, so you bust him in a two. Bust her under the wing. So you can sit down on the grill good. Clean out chicken middle. Then you know chicken ready for wash up and season up. So fish head soup. Okay. Chicken have to clean out in a water, you know, people. Them that go get final clean out, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah, if you have water and fly through. Yeah, it come out already. Come on, and take out the thing out and grill it. Bust on the wing again.
To me, come like I want the sharp.
This? Slice up the fish, boy. Okay, if you mash it up, you're not chubby. Chicken are get good feeding my peeps.
Can walk a fish out.
If you can walk a fish out, I don't know. Your skill, so. Let's see. Yeah, one is one monster.
Quack, 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 quack. Nobody cook me.
Look at you. Cut out your blood claw, man. Oh, nobody cook you. Yeah, so when plant one shoot it dead. Chicken if you don't want dead, no burn. Yeah. Watch your peeps. Chicken a bit ice. You see all of them that done here now? Right. And me almost done the chicken. All that done here now, just give us a good clean up. And then do a peeps. Season, we start do a season of chicken, season of fish. So you know chicken good ready. Yeah man, so line up your now, start with some seasoning up. Post another chicken this again. Fully active. Look at you now. Well, okay, wash over this so can wash off and yeah. Alright, see, them a chicken one final wash off here now.
But you're bad and not a bag you know grab.
Yes, sir. This is how we are talking about. Right, so then a bucket there. See the peeps give some vinegar. Yeah. Give some vinegar and wash them off. So you know the final touch this. Yeah, man. See it? Make sure it's clean out good. ready to season up and go up on the grill. No, sir. You have something on your head, that's a hand towel. You don't have something on your head, hand towel, that man.
Yeah, and kerchief.
You want something to go up on your head, you go put bonnet. Now, we no bonnet, you know?
Mad. Son hat, you know?
I know so only son hat.
Yeah, but
My born, come see my mother wear bonnet.
so, at home, man.
So I reach a state now where man gonna wear bonnet.
We're bonnet there.
No, me no want to say something, but you know, so only a man a wear bonnet.
Them boy that, man.
Yes, sir, them boy.
Yeah, man.
And I no police.
No police.
Left you alone. Alright. Them boy that no thieves.
I don't have cops.
And I no cops.
One bucket of chicken.
Nearly. Nearly half bucket of chicken. It's just 3 chicken. But when you done jerk it and you chop it up, a whole heap of chicken. Alright, my peeps. You know what I say? Line up here now. Season up. Season up time. Chicken there, so. Throw up my chicken in there, so. Yes. Over here. Jerk season. Do the work. Yes. That's a code. So my season peeps, pretty. Jerk season. Dark in my peeps. Fully active. Chicken have a mad. When me say mad, I mean nice. Right. One more thing left to go on after this here now. Because them say they don't want it too spicy, you know, peeps. Rub on some jerk seasoning pan here now. Right. Look on them, my peeps. Pretty. One more thing, we want a jerk season to put up on it. First, you know, season the fish, them the same treatment.
What? Pretty.
Yes, I fly this me now. No, no, play. Aye, yeah, pop. Me some in my hand, you know.
I'm mad, you know, man.
Alright, they said they don't want the 2 pepper. Show me what one.
Yeah,
Show
man,
me.
see it, you mad peeps.
Yeah, man, when I want your chicken
Yeah,
for
man.
something there, all that alone can see.
Yes, all this alone, man. I can't eat all right, you know.
Yeah, a bigger jam, I didn't know, so you can't just even, don't season up the chicken, just jerk the chicken and then use that over it. Mad. But see it, peeps. Ready?
Taste it.
Ready? To go up on the grill. Yardman style, is it pretty? Yeah, man, fully
Nice,
active.
man. Some jerk season. Yeah, man, we now put too much over it, you know. Yeah, blind me, man.
Yeah, jerk fun. Line up your jerk fun, you know, my peeps. Fully active. What me like do, you know, we brush the upstairs. And I feel lazy if I go upstairs, but I have to run upstairs. Because anyway, taking me, I want the brush to base my chicken them, you know what I mean? Go for the brush and now and paint the grill with some cooking oil. Then I put on my chicken pan it and make the fire and the grill. Do the work. First, I'm going to season up the fish then, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active. Can tip the black pepper. Do the same thing over supper, man. Season up over so same time too. You know what I mean?
Man, season up all inside, all the bone.
Season the bone.
Man, bone you want chop, man. Backside.
The one that don't get tricked with.
Can't get Tony.
Get my brush now. And this is, when I do this, you make your chicken a stick. Yeah. You have to oil the grill. When you oil the grill, you make your chicken no stick. Believe no, man. You know me and chef we cook and teach. You see, pre? Yeah, man, I just cook like some chef on YouTube and not teach you.
One sauce sauce.
One sauce sauce that ready for you. Chicken you know. Now look there, fire ketchup too. Ready to do fry some fish. So everything active to it, so not waste no time. Over there, so there. Can't waste no time. Look here. On the grill. On the grill. Oh, then I get the frowny. Get off my chicken. I don't need you on my chicken. Get off my chicken. Yeah, mama, just remove the oily bag. You don't know how them want to get it from the eye. So I'm gonna like them for my chicken. I see the place. Yeah, man, fish bone a bite. Smaddy over there say my ball.
Yo, yes when them start scent. I know nothing normal. Yes when them a done jerk. I was no nothing normal.
Sauce now. Ooh. Easy does it. Sauce them up. This is just the start. Sauce them up. Yard man style. Where's the chicken ready to fry?
Fish ready for fry.
Oh, chicken a grill. But the boss said fish ready to fry.
Fish ready for fry.
So we are line up here now and start fry some fish. Fully active. We're going to fry them and then make with extra beef sauce and throw over them. Yardman style, just the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Everything active in a real life. Soon as you're ready to start fry some fish, show you what go on.
A friend tell a friend free food I give a run come.
No. Fry some onion in an oil. We get that little buzz there. Yeah man, throw them over on the chicken you know. So if you notice them I get black, so the longer them stay in the oil, and I get blacker and blacker, and the oil I go too black. I don't want that. Go over chicken.
Man, go get chicken flavor now.
That's the code. Okay. 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 Now we're fully active now.
active, bro.
Fully active, man. And look on them fish in a top here now. And style. And I'm on just liking, subscribe to the channel. Let them get at least 1, 2 minutes, 3 minutes on that side of them, turn them, because you know fish don't want to hold it up frying. Always no time.
No jaw. Everything curry down. And well mad. Yeah, man.
Fully active my piece. Just subscribe to the channel, you know what I mean? Outside of the right thing. Yes, side. You know, I look at there now. When I move to the piece, I see it skin. See them? And burn set it in it. Fully active now. Fully active, subscribe to the channel. Fully active, this is how we do it in Jamaica, you know what I mean? Yardman style. Yeah, man. Whether we cook at home, or we cook on the riverside, or we cook on the beach side, this is how we do it. Yardman style. They are fry some snapper, and I want kanga tony. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active. Like forward to Jamaica, you can book your cooking tour. Whether you want to pull up at home, or you want me cook you up on the riverside, anywhere. You want me forward, if I have your Airbnb, the man you can check me, you know what I mean? Yes, side. Fully active. If you now put your hands near the attire, you're not afraid, please. You're not afraid. Yeah, man. Attire. Look up that to me now. In our panel, you know, we have some chicken too. Yeah, man. Look on them. Pretty. Well seasoned up. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Pretty and nice. Yeah, man, take them time I go and grill. I just the hard man vibe, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active, man. So run off food here, I get stopped before you reach the road. I go get stopped. Yeah, man, fully active piece. I want to drop off our park, you know, we make me sit down good. Yeah, man, very much fun. Yeah, that's why I like flour my fish still, you know. You know, flour a fish, then I have a look, yeah.
Escovitch sauce go over them, man, then tell them.
Yeah, man, I know, man. But I don't like when them look, so. Look here now, peeps.
Take out that piece of it. No, about that.
In a tile. Bonita drop this to slice up. Down a tile. Down a tile, what you do? The mama comes to my daddy, I eat some little. You eat my bonita
Then
drop.
we go get piece. You leave, give me piece. Your bonita steroid.
Okay, flip them. I mean, it can take long to fry, you know. So I'll get back, you know, after that I jerk season, you know. All I think when I come off our jerk season tips, you know, so yo, fish have to taste nice, fully active. Right, bonita jack, trying to come out of pot. So I'm showing on the Escovitch sauce pan them your peeps. Yo, I'm not normal man. Vinegar and pepper and carrot and onion cut up. And I'm not normal man. Good on the attire. Yardman style in a fry, you know what I mean? Yeah, normally we flour fish, but them are not get no flour. Yardman style. So we go up there, so. Yeah, 3 more pieces to fry. And that's it. Fully active, just subscribe to the channel as soon as I'm done frying now. I cut up like the carrot and the onion and cook them down a little vinegar, show them back over the fish, that's extra beef fish. Yeah, check this. Look how chicken cooking with peeps. Look on that, you know, see no bun. Yo, look them on. No boy, no time. Easy peeps. My best, believe me. When I done a rubber now, my sauce pan them and nothing normal. Look on them, pretty. Yeah. Them not burn up. And then take them time and soak. They're not normal. Person having fish head them in a file paper, the Yardman style. You know what I mean? But look on that peeps. So I'm done here now, I'm going to sub up some sauce up chicken. And I'm not normal. And pretty. Yeah man, I'm a soak man, fully active man. Book your Yardman tour with Sunrise Boss, your food tour right now. First over this I line up with the carrot and the onion and then clean up the Escovitch fish.
Fully active.
Yeah man. Onion and carrot. And then I'll cut up a couple pepper same speed too. Yeah man, fully active peeps. Yardman style. I'm ready to show them over the fish. Show you what time it is. Some bean off a tree and now cook some bean rice in peeps.
Look like I eat that you know.
Yes I cook
Yeah,
some.
man, see it there? Fully active.
Yes I cook
Yeah,
some
man.
bean rice.
Bean rice we cook on Sunday, I'm mad.
That one I go mad too.
When coconut, we shell it out right now.
Yeah man, the coconut did it. Or if you not feel yourself, you can use the coconut powder.
Oh, yeah.
You can anything go. I myself I cook the rice for. Yep. Enough time I cook with the coconut powder, you know. I hear this. Boy, coconut nice. We can taste in the rice. I want me to St. Thomas I work in a restaurant. Enough time I use coconut powder, man. And you hear them, boy, I can taste the original coconut. Hear me? Yeah, man, a native too. Yes, peeps, because when I cook my rice and peas, I season it up, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so I shell them out here now. Cook some bean settings. Yes, I fire take them you know, man. For them pretty peeps, no filter, you know. Look how them pretty. No filter. I see them pretty, man.
Yeah, man.
What are they?
Eh?
What are they?
There are some gungo peas.
Yeah, right. So nice.
Yes, first year when the person said there are some gungo peas.
Yeah, when I say I'm going to head chip. I remember a while ago, me see a man calling gungo a while ago because me tell him, say, yo, go pick some gungo and I say, well, upstairs. And me I say, no, over there, so man, I say, I been that man. I say, yeah, I say, go, we all mix them up sometime. You know what I mean? But look on chicken and I'm looking pretty, you know. Soon time to sauce them up, you know, peeps. You know what? Soon time to sauce them up, man, but looking good. Now make them take them time and soak the right way. And you know, this is Jamaica, you know, this is not like certain country where you eat the food half done. No, in Jamaica we eat the food well done. And we don't burn up food. But it has to just well done, nice, tastes good. That's how we deal with it in Jamaica. That's why all over the world, when people travel come our country, they say, yo, Jamaica food are the best. Because we don't have raw food. Food have to taste good. Believe me, man. And then the thing to jerk. Sunrise boss. Active. Then I'm ready for my sauce, you know, my plates. Yes, I. See them now? And I'm well soaked and ready for sauce up here now. And you know, I make my little secret sauce already. I can't ever show you fully what I put in the sauce. But I make my little secret sauce. And I show you one thing left where to go in the sauce. And then the sauce up my chicken them. Over here, so I have the sauce peeps. Look what I'm going over here. That over there, so. Over here, so see sauce, yeah? Yeah, man, look on it. Can't tell you what this is, no peeps. Yeah, man, I can't tell you what. But this, I can tell you this is what? This is an orange. This is a Sybil sweet orange. Yes. That's a code. Can't tell you what I use make my sauce, but just know, say, Sunrise boss have the best sauce I had when it come on to chicken or pork, and me have the sauce. Look at now when the sauce go on them, peeps. Look there. Yeah, man. Food active.
It named Jerk Barbecue.
Jerk what?
Jerk Barbecue.
Okay, jerk what? Barbecue, peeps. Yeah, man, look on the chicken then. Yeah, man, pretty.
One sauce boss, man.
Yeah, man, fully active, man. See the peeps? Sauce them up. Oh,
Yeah,
God.
because Sunrise is
Oh,
going
God.
for the sauce.
No, we are Jamaica, you know, get them a type of chicken. Then a chicken you eat down to the bone. Believe me, man. No, we are Jamaica, you know, get them a type of chicken if you eat it. Look on them. The sauce touch them. One Sunrise boss, man. Believe me, man. So far, with a Jamaica, no try out my jerk chicken or my jerk pork or anything where you want grill, you miss out. Trust me, you miss out. Look at them, they're pretty. 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 Yes, I'm fully active, man. I know me I go be a sports side. So what I do now, turn them. Yeah, turn them. Turn them. Turn them. Turn them. Fully. Turn them, the tips. Turn them, see them. Wanna get turned, you get turned, or you wanna get turned. Turn, no? And then we go back here again. And we just rub on the sauce again. So the next 5 minutes time, all of them are chicken are ready to come off our grill. Okay, if you make them stay longer, they're gonna burn up because the sauce when we put on it, I will get black and burn them up. So you know them are soon ready to come off our grill. 5 minute time. Yes, I fully active, pretty. I'm gonna look on that. And you see this rest of sauce we leave, I'm gonna make some gravy. Because they say they want some chicken gravy, some natural chicken gravy. So this now I'm gonna cook it down in a pot and make some gravy. So the same taste where the chicken have, the gravy I go have. Believe no man, look on that. Pretty. Chicken done, grilled. Look at it, peeps. Pretty. Anyway, then in Jamaica, as a guest or as a yardie, can book with Sunrise Boss, grill some chicken, and I carry it for you. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, I post you one forward at the riverside and full jar some of them nice grilled chicken. You can check with Sunrise Boss, peeps. Look this man, look how pretty. Look how pretty, fully active, pretty. Up here, sir, are the fish them too. Here, sir, we have some bonita jack. Yeah, man, well pretty. Book with Sunrise Boss now, you know what I mean? Yardman style. Look at this. So some snapper. Yeah, man, fully active. Food like them here, can book with me where I cook it at the riverside. Or if you have you're staying at a Airbnb in Jamaica, you can come at the Airbnb, cook them food the same way, you know what I mean? If you want to pull up on my yard same way, cook them food the whole of vibes. Anywhere you're there, you want them food for you there in Jamaica, just let me know. You can make it reach you, or I can make you reach me. Them here right now, I'm going to drop them off to a guest. Yeah, man, fully active. Them here on my own. Somebody, and I grill them for. You know what I mean? So you can be the next lucky person. Grill some chicken for, fry some fish for. You know what I mean? Subscribe to YouTube channel, One Sunrise Boss, Yardman style, fully active. I'm gonna drop off them here now. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active peeps. Never cap, never lie. Chicken well grilled. Look at that, upon seasoning. Pretty. Subscribe to the channel, peeps. Give them final little sauce, and then you know, sir, that's it. I'm on the final little sauce. Yeah. See the peeps, then final little sauce. Can't tell you what I use make this a sauce here, you know. But no, sir, this a sauce here, bomb, you know. Make my chicken different from everyone in Jamaica for grilled chicken, you know. My little secret sauce. Yeah, man. See me? So when I carry this, go give all the person who I get it and then walk me it and look upon it, them is like, oh my God. Fully active. Final touch, you know, cover them ready for cover up, you know, my peeps. Yeah, mommy just put some cooking time over it, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yardman style, but we still deal with the true luxury, you know. You know what I mean? Same thing. Yeah, man, cover me, I cover up, you know. Time to go deliver. This order, yeah, could that be your order? Or could that you may come deliver to my hotel, you know? Just let me know which hotel you there stay and let me know where you want. What is it?
Catering service.
Yes, sir.
Don't come up here. You're mad like.
Catering service.
Wow.
See that, babes? Alright, this is gravy. Yeah, that good. Yeah, man, me take half a quarter.
Okay.
That one I fish. This one next fish. Yeah, I make some lemonade, peeps. If we turn off to mash up some food, just deliver the chicken and the fish. So you know a thing go. Take out our quarter, 2 quarter chicken. So you gotta chop up that now and eat with the gungo rice. Yeah, man, gungo rice, fried paper still the pan in.
Gungo, man.
That one, see, you can eat with some bean rice peeps, so they're pretty. I share out some food and no! I'm a create a bun a fina plate there, you know. No, no, I saw a fina one.
Hotel.
Cause I see I create a bun.
Yes, man, then I'm mad this part of food that, man.
Yes, sir. And the gravy where we make this chop up the chicken now, peeps, and we put on plate. And I dig we are going to dig in our food. Yes, sir. Fully active.
You know, properly bad something on you.
Fully active. It's a for me. Now I make sure I go one side, peeps. If I go one side, I dig in a, Yes, sir. Mad. Watch ya. Yeah, man, the sauce wicked.
Terrible, man.
Stop, peeps. Fully active. And we have jug of lemonade. You want to know normal. I see it.
Damn, you don't eat no food tonight, you know.
When we are eating food, Sunday, God, I'm sure.
Now what Sunday I'm here and the dog?
I'm here with the beach,
What Sunday I'm here and the dog? And the dog cook some of them food, man. Mash up a whole place, man.
Yes, what you know, man. When you buy rice for 3 pounds for your household, when you are buying, and 10 pounds of flour you buy.
Not to deal with rice flour.
Mad.
Mad, man. If I pass a one.
Yes, I.
Give me a box.
Mad. Food mad, peeps.
Food mad, man.
Jerk chicken.
Yeah, chicken just right, man. Come here, just season up the chicken from overnight.
And chicken just season up. I sell done everything, people. I don't sell it. I show now. Fish. Active. Mad. Big line. Lemonade.
You try to get badder and badder, man.
What I do?
Get badder and badder.
They say it's time to make your sauce to get badder and badder.
Yeah, man. I mean, bad, you know.
Cause you know, enough time I make him and put in the something in there. Jerk season. I remember me hardly buy that.
ones that I play.
Yeah, ramp, brother, me nah ramp. My food me I eat in a lady.
I'm
When I in the dark, me there still have a move. Cause, look, no. My mouth no move from where there.
know me can't miss it.
I can't miss my mouth.
How me fi do that?
You have to take time eating a person because a plate you have in, fast tea. While I go to see teacher come with money in my car front. Hear me now? Buckle up on this teacher car for the pattern now. How would this a go shot?
I can start in food.
Yeah, crave man.
Well, man, like me in there, bleach.
But you know what my food is short? Imagine you say, you have certain amount of food already and here a cheer we when you look at this my days come. You get corrupt, man.
That's a pattern, brother.
There's some man come like them iron foot, man, and it's done. You ain't so long, man.
I'm not telling man, I think my food, brother. I think my food. No long time in the name of my food.
No, please, bean, it's a bean.
I think my food, man.
Happy night, man.
I read them up by just go there and looking at man.
Hey, I find that that's really good, yeah, man. Because bean cheese just I give you bean.
So, man.
You know, sir, I think I'm a daddy plants, I have to ask him, you know.
Nobody plan to, you know,
I thought
business.
that be a nigga.
Force. The third time this year I eat bean.
Alright, person.
When the food nice to eat and go back.
Plate empty person. You know,
A dead throw you take that off of your name. Dead throw you take some boy off of some nice and you don't even know. Dead that did that, when you lick him in it, all of your fuck, yeah.
I don't want to.
Yeah, dog, you know what true, because me and him up here, he ain't no cousin, me feel like I go chop in a sick God. Me say person wake up and dead that. And the man sick God and was dead in dead.
One, man.
There's a bunch of weed and attack back there.